Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Doni, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell before you go. But if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate everyone that's supporting me up until this point. Thank you for always coming back. Thanks for your love and your support. Today's video is just going to be a tutorial about how to make your eyeshadow look like a professional. So for this tutorial today, I'm using this BH Cosmetic palette, and I will be only using two eyeshadow from this palette. I have my Paradise color here, and I also have the Pineapple color up here. So those are the two colors I'm using today for this tutorial, and I will also be using these three brushes. I have my eyeshadow blending brush, and I have this blending brush as well, but I don't use it as a blending brush for my eyeshadow. And I also have this flat brush, and I will also be using this flat sponge right here. You can use any other sponge that you want, but I'm using this. And I will also need my Health High Definition powder. So just stay tuned and see how I apply my eyeshadows. Thank you. For this tutorial, I will be applying only two eyeshadows. You can use as many as you want, but I'm only using two today just to show you how to blend in very good and make it look nice and neat. I'm starting with priming my eyes with my LA Pro concealer in color Fun. Just blend the concealer into my skin to make it look nice. Blend is the key when you're doing your makeup. You really need to be patient and blend it really good, really nice. The purpose of using eyeshadow primer or concealer on your eyelid before applying your eyeshadow is just to make your eyeshadow pops up more. After applying the concealer, I dab my sponge into the Health High Definition powder just to set the concealer. That way it will not make your concealer look cakey under your eyeshadow, because once your concealer start looking cakey, your eyeshadow will start cracking. I don't have another word for that. Once you set your concealer, now we need to start applying our eyeshadow. And before applying your eyeshadow, whatever color you want, that's what you can do. You don't have to go natural, you don't have to go however you want. Whatever color that makes you happy, that's what you do. You just have to know how to blend it to make it look perfect. After you set your concealer, then you go for the eyeshadow. And when you are applying more than one eyeshadows, you always need a transition color. The transition color usually stay here on your crease. This is your eye crease. That will separate the eyelid from your brown bone. So that's how I can explain it. When you dab your brush into your eyeshadow, always do this, because sometimes you dab your brush into your eyeshadow, it picks so much product, and when you go directly into your eyes with that, it make it look funny and hard to blend. So when you dab your brush into your eyeshadow, always try to shake the brush on something just to get rid of excess powder, and start applying your eyeshadow from your outer V, and you drag it on your crease. The purpose of doing that is that most of the product go here, and then you drag the brush on your crease to make it lighter here. So start from your outer V and drag the brush on your crease. Just drag the brush on your crease. See? If you think you don't have enough product, you can always apply more eyeshadows. Then here come our blending brush. With the blending brush, if you want, you can blend your eyeshadow in round motion like this, or you can just do the back forward motion. But I love the back forward motion because I'm already used to that. So I do the round motion on the edge and then back forward to blend the product into your skin. The more the product is blended into your skin, the better it looks. Here, tell me what you think. Now I'm going for my second product. And the mistake a lot of people make is that when we are applying our eyeshadow, if you already use your brush for one color, make sure you take your makeup remover to wipe the eyeshadow off your brush, or make sure you have many brushes at your disposition to use, because if you use one brush for one color and you don't wipe it out, you don't clean it out before you use it for another color, it makes all your color mixed together and you really don't see what you're doing. Now that I apply my transition color, I'm going for the second color. For example, I already applied this pink color or whatever color it is. Now I want to apply green or yellow. If I don't clean my brush out and pick up the yellow or the other color or whatever color I want next, it will not turn out right. My color will not look right. So that's why you always have to clean your brush after one color, or you use a different brush. Now I'm trying to use a gold color so you can see how I'm going to applying it. For my eyelid, I usually prefer a flat brush because I feel like it gives me a better application. Just put as much as you want, enough to make you happy. Now that I apply this color, it just look anyhow. Then I'm taking my eyeshadow blending brush again to blend it out. You see how it looks? It looks so patchy and ugly right now. So once I blend the color in together, you will see the difference. That's why you always need to be patient and blend your eyeshadow correctly. I'm brushing in between my eyelid and my crease, so both color can be really blend together into my skin. If you don't blend your colors together, it usually looks like they just take a color and put it there, like take it, put it there, take it, put it there. But once you blend in, you can tell where the gold starts or where the transition color ends. So the more you blend your eyeshadows together, the better it looks. Now let's say, for example, in between both two colors, you're not satisfied, you want more color, you can just pick up more color and put it there. And one thing I also learned, when you blending your eyeshadow or when you applying your eyeshadow, always hold your brush from the bottom. Don't hold your brush here. It will not give you a smooth application. Always hold it from the bottom. That's what gives you a better application. Let's say, for example, I'm applying my eyeshadow and mistake comes. Let's say the gold come on my crease like this, unexpected. What do I have to do? I don't have to wipe off all my makeup just because of that. All you do in that situation, just take more of your crease color and put it on top. Put more color on top. The more color you put on your mistake, the better. See? Now that I finished applying my eyeshadow, I just take a clean makeup remover sheet to clean under my eye. This is why most of people apply eyeshadow first before they can apply the makeup. Just clean the edges and clean all the extra application you might have beside your eyeshadows. I think I will put more of the gold into my tear duct to give a little glam look. Just gives me a little glam look. And then after this, you apply your makeup. And that's it. And do everything else. Eyeliner, eyelashes, and anything else you may think of. And then I'm using the brush to highlight a little bit my brown bone. It's the same gold I use. You can use a different gold. You can use a highlight, you can use whatever works for you, but I'm using the same gold since this is about 2 eyeshadows. And take my clean blending brush that I already wiped and blend in together a little bit. Sometimes you really don't need to blend that part, but if it doesn't look nice and neat enough for you, make sure you blend it to make it look nice. And that's it. Now I will do the second eye and apply my makeup, then come back to show you the finished look. You might not be able to tell the difference right now since I haven't applied the whole makeup yet, but stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm back. This is the final look after applying my whole face makeup. So as you can see, the eyeshadow looks so nice and neat. This is the reason why you have to be sure you blend your eyeshadow right. That's the key. Blending is the key. Now all I just want to do is take the same Paradise color, the same pick I used for my transition color, just put a little bit of it under my eye here. Since I will prefer a different color, but since we're going just for 2 eyeshadow today, so I'm just taking the same color and put a little bit under my eye here. And I will do the same for the second eye. Now I'm just going to put a little bit mascara to complete the look. Okay, that's it. So this is my final look. What do you think? I have some salt, some seasoning in there. So just tell me what you think. Thank you so much for watching this. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate everyone that keep coming back to my channel. Thank you so much. I know there is a lot out there for you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. And if you haven't seen my previous video yet, please go check it. I have a video on how to apply your eyeliner like a pro. I have a video on how to do your eyebrow like a pro, and I have a couple of videos interested on my channel too. You can visit them. Thank you so much.